Hi kids, we're here with Math Minute 27. Here we go. Number 1, the expanded form of 921 is. Number 2, 8 divided by 4 equals. Number 3, write the fraction that names the shaded portions. Remember, the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. The bottom number is all of the parts and pieces, and then the top number is only what they ask for. Number 4 says 6 times 2 equals. And number 5, Brian has 50 cents. He mows the lawn and earns an additional $1. How much money does he have in all? Number 1, the expanded form of 921 is 900 plus 20 plus 1. Number 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2. If I split 8 into equal parts of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 2 groups, and that's what I'm looking for. Write the fraction that names the shaded portion. There's 2 triangles that are shaded, and there's 8 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A lot of times if kids make a mistake here, it's because they think they're saying put the number of shaded on top and the number of unshaded on the bottom, and that's not true. Okay, the number of shaded goes on top, and all of them, even the shaded ones, get included in what goes in the denominator. So this should be 8. Number 4, 6 groups of 2 is 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. And number 5, if Brian has 50 cents, he mows the lawn and earns an additional $1. He ends up with $1.50, and he should probably increase his costs for mowing the lawn because kids get paid a lot more than that these days. But that's up to Brian. So anyway, moving on. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Number 6 has a funny little symbol here. Okay, this symbol is just division. That's all that is. But kids will see it and they'll go, "What is that? I don't know what that is," and then they'll freak out. So don't freak out. Just relax and calm down. And what this is saying is, how many times can 3 go into 9? So it's the same as saying 9 divided by 3 equals. It's just a different way to write it. It's a different symbol for it. Okay, so we know that I can fit 3 into 9 3 times. Okay, 9 equal groups of 3 gives me 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, a total of 9. When you do a problem like this, though, instead of putting your answer here, your answer actually goes on top. So you would say 3. This is where it would go. That's your quotient line. A quotient is the answer to a division problem. So here, in this kind of problem, your answer goes on top. And we'll get more into that later. Right now, I just wanted to explain what it was and show you what it is and how to do it. Number 7, 44 plus 48. Number 8, what's the abbreviation for yard? And numbers 9 and 10, do the figures have symmetry? Yes or no? Can you cut them in half and have them be equal and the same on both sides? Please pause your video and go ahead and finish up and come back and check your work. Number 7, you should have ended up with 92. You had to regroup here in the ones place. Number 8, the abbreviation for yard is YD period. Most of the time, an abbreviation will have a capital letter at the start and it will end with the last letter of the word. So Y gets capitalized, D is at the end, and you get rid of these letters in between. You're just shortening the word. And like I said, typically you'll find a period at the end Sometimes people do, sometimes people don't. I could not find a single line of symmetry in this shape, but I could find at least one in the heart shape if I cut it straight down the middle. So my answer to number 9 is no. My answer to number 10 is yes. And you should be moving on to chapter 13, practice 2, part 2. I hope you guys have a great day, and girls, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.